can see the speaker is there. I just got to tape down with some Kapton tape right now because it needs to dry the silicone in there. Turn off the headlight. I'm going to change the direction. Hopefully that's in reverse. Yep. This is just my initial. I shortened up the speaker wires after removing the 13mm. That's the 16mm in the hole. And I did solder the engine leads down to the board. Had to shorten the LED. I still got to tuck the capacitor back. It's supposed to go back in here someplace, according to the picture I've seen. Now I set CV60 to 1, so it's an F40. I don't know if that's better than E8. I'll have to do some research. Sounds decent. I think the sound is pretty good. Anyway, this is where I am right now, so just wanted to give you a little bit of progress. That's all for now. I'm back just with another shorty one. This is it programmed. I guess this is the EMD 567. It's CV60 is set to 0. Maybe this just sounds better. I don't know which one sounds better, like an F7. I mean, this is a Kato F7, so maybe there's something to download and dirty track. I guess we'll see. Always a few kinks to work out, but anyway. Thought you guys would be interested to see where I'm at. I'm waiting for my circuit breakers to get back so I can reinstall them. They're up at Tony's Train Exchange right now getting reprogrammed, so I should have them back maybe the end of the week, early next week. So we'll see. Bye.